And welcome back. Let's head to Competence Park, where the Jamaica Racing Commission JRC Chairman Clovis Metcalf is promising more accredited stewards at Competence Park, even as he defends their competence, which has been called into question by punters and stakeholders. And as you'll hear in this report from Denise Walters, a meeting is set for Thursday to discuss the events that led to the abandonment of the Heroes Day race meet on Monday.
Punters and stakeholders, venting their frustration to TVJ Sports, were of the view that some of the JRC stewards were less than capable in their decision-making of recent times. One such decision, they say, took place on Monday's Heroes Day 9 race card. The stewards disqualified race 2 winner Take a Punt, ridden by Samantha Fletcher, and placed the Bay Gelding behind My Sunshine in third for causing intimidation and interference to that horse and its rider Omar Walker, with a salute ridden by title chasing jockey Radish Roman given the race after initially placing second. Now, as a result, punters rioted and the rest of the race meet had to be abandoned. However, Metcalf says he thinks the punters were reactive to this specific incident and not a series of poor decisions.
In the eyes of the punters and the public, the disqualification was wrong and it was blatant. I think that is what I'm sending from the punter. Normally when we have disqualification, you don't have that sort of uproar. You have one and two who will disagree and some would agree, and that is par for the course. We do have an internal process, and we also have an appeal process where any aggrieved owner, trainer, jockey, have 48 hours to appeal, and then we have the board that looks at that appeal. There have been reversals, and that is expected, but not all appeals have been successful.
Metcalf says the stewards have gotten better over time.
I came into the JRC, I always said to the steward, disqualification will be the last resort, unless it is obvious. But anything controversial or not, call up the jockeys, find them, have a discussion. A lot of decisions have been made in recent time, and there has been absolutely no uproar about it. And as a matter of fact, I would want to commend the stewards this year because they're doing a much better job than they have done in the past.
There are at least 12 stewards, but only 3 are internationally accredited, none of whom were on the 3-member panel on Monday. The panel consists of a chairman and 2 others, and any decision has to be unanimous.
The chairman has been with the commission for a number of years, but the other 2 stewards, yes, would be new recruits. These same stewards have been in the box for many months from last year. It's not new in the sense that they are first-timers or, first month or second month. I think we will lean on our international partners to provide training and accreditation. I will invite down some of the experts, international, to come and view these films and speak with the stewards and hear their views and provide training.
In the meantime, Metcalf says further clarity will be provided on Monday's decision by the stewards in a meeting on Thursday.
The director of racing, the 3 stewards involved, and the board of commission to hear what they have to say and why they came by that decision, and to review the race at that time.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.